everyone knows that doing less is a good thing. If we can do less work to get the same output, it would be amazing, right? So the less we do, the more stuff we can get out. Now, that's not always possible, but there are tools out there that can actually help you do that. And today I'm going to tell you about TextExpander. I've used this tool for years, since the beginning of time, I think. And it's helped me so much in getting my work done quicker. Now, what is TextExpander? TextExpander is like a snippet expander. So you type in a little snippet and it writes out a bunch of stuff. Now, I'm going to put some stuff up here to show you how much time I've saved in the past few weeks. I've been working on a project where I've had to do a lot of copy pasting and a lot of editing and a lot of stuff. And I didn't want to keep writing the same thing over and over again. So I created this TextExpander snippet so it could help me get my work done quickly. And the amount of time I've saved is insane, as you can see here. So I can't believe, I mean, there's no way I could have done what I was doing, this project, without TextExpander. I would have wasted 2 or 3 days on it. TextExpander is just amazing. So again, it's a snippet expander. So you type in a little snippet, you define it, and then it basically types stuff out. So I've used it for sending invoices, for instance. So with an email, the invoice email is basically the same thing. So you attach the invoice and then write pretty much the same thing, but you have to change the name and so on. So it does that. My contracts, before I work with a client, I need to know some information, not necessarily contracts, and I don't want to fill out a form, but I will write an email. It looks a bit more personal when you do it via an email rather than sending them a link to a form. So I do it that way. So it's a great tool. I'll put a link down below so you can go and check it out. If you have any questions about it, let me know. It sounds like an advert. It's not. It's something I do use, as you saw, basically. Anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.